Welcome back to DMV, your source for intriguing stories and vital information. Welcome to our exploration of the top 10 dream destinations for digital nomads, incorporating country background, atmosphere, economy, and social culture. Before we dive in, make sure to hit that like button, share this video with your friends, subscribe to our channel, and don't forget to ring that notification bell to stay updated on the latest news and stories. These are the best 10 places for digital nomads to live. Lisbon, Portugal. Portugal is a southern European country with a rich history dating back to the Roman Empire. It is known for its stunning beaches, delicious food, and friendly people. Lisbon has a vibrant and cosmopolitan atmosphere. The city is full of cafes, restaurants, and bars, and there is always something to do. Portugal has a relatively strong economy with a low unemployment rate. The cost of living in Lisbon is also relatively affordable. The Portuguese people are known for being friendly and helpful. Chiang Mai, Thailand. Thailand is a Southeast Asian country known for its beautiful temples, delicious food, and friendly people. Chiang Mai is a laid-back and relaxed city. It is a popular destination for backpackers and digital nomads alike. Thailand has a relatively low cost of living, making it a great place to live on a budget. Thailand has a collectivist culture with a strong emphasis on family and community. The Thai people are known for being polite and respectful. Bali, Indonesia. Indonesia is an archipelago nation in Southeast Asia. Bali is one of the most popular tourist destinations in Indonesia, known for its beautiful beaches, lush rainforests, and ancient temples. Bali has a relaxed and tropical atmosphere. It is a great place to enjoy the outdoors and the beach. Bali has a relatively low cost of living, making it a great place to live on a budget. Bali has a Hindu-majority culture with a strong emphasis on family and community. The Balinese people are known for being friendly and welcoming. Medellin, Colombia. Colombia is a South American country known for its coffee, salsa music, and beautiful beaches. Medellin is the second largest city in Colombia and is a popular destination for digital nomads. Medellin has a vibrant and cosmopolitan atmosphere. The city is full of cafes, restaurants, and bars, and there is always something to do. Colombia has a relatively low cost of living, making it a great place to live on a budget. Colombia has a warm and welcoming culture. The Colombian people are known for being friendly and helpful. Budapest, Hungary. Hungary is a Central European country known for its thermal baths, beautiful architecture, and delicious food. Budapest is the capital city of Hungary and is a popular destination for digital nomads. Budapest has a European charm with a modern twist. The city is full of cafes, restaurants, and bars, and there is always something to do. Hungary has a relatively low cost of living, making it a great place to live on a budget. Hungary has a rich cultural heritage and friendly people. The Hungarians are known for their hospitality and love of life. Prague, Czech Republic. Czech Republic is a country in Central Europe known for its beautiful architecture, medieval castles, and delicious beer. Prague is the capital city of Czech Republic and is a popular destination for digital nomads. Prague has a charming and historic atmosphere. The city is full of cafes, restaurants, and bars, and there is always something to do. Czech Republic has a relatively low cost of living, making it a great place to live on a budget. Czech Republic has a rich cultural heritage and friendly people. The Czechs are known for their hospitality and love of good food and drink. Quito, Ecuador. Ecuador is a country in South America known for its diverse landscape, including the Galapagos Islands, the Amazon rainforest, and the Andes Mountains. Quito is the capital city of Ecuador and is a popular destination for digital nomads. Quito has a vibrant and cosmopolitan atmosphere. The city is full of cafes, restaurants, and bars, and there is always something to do. Quito is also a great place to enjoy the outdoors, with many hiking and biking trails nearby. Ecuador has a relatively low cost of living, making it a great place to live on a budget. Quito is also a very affordable city to fly to, with many direct flights from major cities around the world. Ecuador has a warm and welcoming culture. The Ecuadorian people are known for their friendliness and hospitality. Quito is also a very diverse city, with people from all over the world living and working together. Ho Chi Minh City, Vietnam. Vietnam is a Southeast Asian country known for its delicious food, friendly people, and beautiful scenery. Ho Chi Minh City is the largest city in Vietnam and is a popular destination for digital nomads. Cape Town, South Africa. South Africa is a country in Africa known for its diverse landscape, rich culture, and abundant wildlife. Cape Town is the second largest city in South Africa and is a popular destination for digital nomads. Cape Town has a vibrant and multicultural atmosphere. The city is full of cafes, restaurants, and bars, and there is always something to do. South Africa has a relatively low cost of living, making it a great place to live on a budget. South Africa has a diverse culture, with influences from African, European, and Asian cultures. The South African people are known for their warmth and hospitality. Barcelona, Spain. Spain is a country in southern Europe known for its beautiful beaches, delicious food, and rich culture. Barcelona is the second largest city in Spain and is a popular destination for digital nomads. Barcelona has a vibrant and cosmopolitan atmosphere. The city is full of cafes, restaurants, and bars, and there is always something to do. Spain has a relatively high cost of living, but it is still affordable compared to other major European cities. Spain has a warm and welcoming culture. The Spanish people are known for their love of life and their passion for food and wine. Hopefully, this information helps you find the perfect place to live and work as a digital nomad. If you found this information valuable, please share this video with your friends and family. Don't forget to subscribe to DMV for more insightful content and hit that notification bell to stay informed. Stay inspired and stay tuned for more exciting destinations. Until next time, keep exploring.